Innovation and Design Thinking Workshop Innovative Ideas. Name of the student KAVANA SC Branch First Year ISC. Startup Company Machine Master Tech and Manufacturers. Product Present Name Printer. Product Proposed Name Eco Print Max. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. It can more efficient use of ink and toner. Over the next 50 years, printers are likely to evolve significantly. We can expect faster printing speeds, high resolution, and improved color accuracy due to advancement in printing technology. Multifunction printers often include scanning and company capabilities, making them home or office use. Defined based on the empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, may any may new features are added to the testing product name printer, futuristic product name eco print max. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Additional paper trace, security features, continuous ink supply system, print management software. Prototype. In prototype state, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing. I request a viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.